Hello, in this video we will learn Vue JS methods. Vue JS methods are JavaScript functions. We're gonna add methods to the object first up after data. I'm gonna write a method greeting. It returns the word hello. By the way, you can change the name of the object. You can call it whatever you want. I'm gonna change the name of argument because I changed the name of the object. You can also change the name of the ID. You can create a variable for the Vue app. You can use it without creating a const or a variable. I'm gonna add the method greeting to HTML. We can see on browser the message hello. I'm gonna create a const for Vue app. Like you see, nothing is changed. I'm gonna delete these lines, I don't need them anymore. I can add the message after the method to get hello world. In Vue.js we can do concatenation inside the double braces. I'm gonna delete the variable message. I can use data inside methods. For example, return hello plus this dot message. Vue.js is reactive. If I change the value of message on console, it will change on browser. Let's try vm.message equal Vue.js fans. We can see on browser that the value of message is changed. Now we have hello Vue.js fans and message length is 11. I'm gonna create a new data likes. Its value 0. I can update the variable likes with a method. Update likes, return like dislikes plus plus. I'm gonna add p element with the number of likes. I'm gonna call the function update likes on console. We can see that the number of likes is 1 now. Each time I call the function update likes, the number of likes increase. I'm gonna add a button with on-click event. This is the way how to add on-click event in Vue.js. Add click equal update likes. We will see events in Vue later. On browser we can see the button like. Every time I click, the number of likes increase. This is the end of this video. Take care.